First, go to the OpenResty Edge web console. This is our demo deployment of the console. Each user would have their own deployment. We will use our sample application for the testedge.com domain again. Enter the application. First go to Page Rules page. Click here to add a new rule. Let's add an action. We will choose Add Response Header. The header have two parts, the name and the value. Name the header as xTestExtraHeader. For the value, you can use string or built-in variable. We try the string first. Type in Hello World. Make sure this rule runs before any existing normal ones. Save it. To push out the new rule, we need to create a new release. Ship it. It is fully synchronized. Now the new page rule has been pushed to all the gateway clusters and servers. Our configuration changes do not require server reload, restart, or binary upgrade. So it's very efficient and scalable. Let's test it out on a gateway server. We copy the IP address of this San Francisco gateway server. Then test it on the terminal. The xTestExtraHeader is here. Next let's try built-in variable for value of response header. Edit this rule. Let's choose built-in variable for header value. Here we provide two options for built-in variable currently. One is request header, which means you can retrieve the request information. You need to specify the request header by name like origin, refer, etc. Another one is system hostname, which is just the gateway server's name we set. Let's try system hostname here. Save it. Again, we need to create a new release. Ship it. It is fully synchronized now. First we can check the hostname for the previous server. The hostname for this gateway server is like this. Then switch to terminal. The value of xTestExtraHeader has changed to the hostname. Try another gateway server, like this one in Frankfurt, the hostname is like this. Switch to terminal again. The value is now the Frankfurt server's hostname. If you like this video, please subscribe us on YouTube channel. Thank you.